If you're looking to connect Google Ads and GA4 or Google Analytics 4, it's pretty easy. Thankfully, Google made it very simple after a number of iterations of the GA4 platform. They've made it pretty simple. So we're going to walk through that here. When you log in to your GA4 property, you're going to be on a home screen like this. The first thing that you'll need to do is just move down to the admin section here with the icon, the gear icon. Click on that. It's going to bring up the account column and the property column. Now in the property column further down there's a section called product links, and that's where you're going to navigate to here for Google Ads. Click on Google Ads links and it'll open up this section where you need to connect to an account specifically. Now for this to work though, the account you're logged into using Google Ads and Google Analytics needs to be the same. So company XYZ, let's say you are Mark or Jane at company XYZ, you will need to be logged in to that account and have access to both Google Ads and Google Analytics. So once you're here though and you click on link, when I click link, it allows me to make a selection of the accounts that I manage. Link to a Google Ads account I manage. Choose Google Ads accounts, click on that, and it'll bring up the list of accounts that I manage. This is why it's important that you're logged into the same account that has access to Google Analytics 4, GA4, and Google Ads. If you have multiple accounts, you'll see them all in a list here. In this case, for this example, we have one. So we'll simply click on the checkbox here and click confirm. It'll close that window and let us move forward. So now we'll just click next. And these settings, we just say leave these settings in place. Enable personalized advertising. They're going to create lists on your behalf based on what people are doing, seeing where they're coming from to your website. That's fine. We leave this in place. You can choose to never use it, or you can choose to use it in the future for Google Ads, but we would just leave it in place. And then same with auto tagging. Enabling auto tagging and leaving it that way is likely your best case scenario. Some people will manually tag their ads on the Google Ads side, and that can get complicated when it gets into reporting inside of Google Analytics and GA4. We would recommend leaving this in place. So we're not going to make any changes here, and we're just going to click next. What that will do is collapse that last section, open up this review, and all we're seeing is everything that we just made selections on previously. So the account that we're linking to, the personalized advertising is on, we have auto tagging enabled, and as long as everything looks good to us here, we click submit, and voila, we're done, and it'll say the link is created and we're all set. So from here we can close it, and we can see that now we are linked inside of GA4. Google Ads is all set, and the data is going to be viewable from within Google Analytics 4, GA4. Very simple, very easy, but if you do have questions or run into problems, let us know. We would love to help. You can reach out on our website, give us a call, shoot us an email, or submit a form. Thanks so much, and check out printbase.com for more tips, tutorials, and sign up as a member where we have more courses and content for you so you can do all of this on your own and have us create content for you as well.